about integers in the previous class, and we did what all we there in the integers. Okay, before we start our chapter, we'll start with a short prayer now. Okay, close your eyes, fold your hands, children. Okay. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaleshu Sarvada. Okay, we are praying to the Lord Ganesha. Okay, children, we'll continue with our academics now. In the previous class, we studied that in number 9, how to place the positive numbers and how to place the negative numbers and how to place the neutrals. Yes, neutrals means 0. How to place the numbers on that. The number line will be how? The number line will be like this, and it have a middle, the 0. This is a neutral number. This is a neutral number. It don't have a positive and don't have negative sign. And here this side will be what? Positive sign. And this side will be negative. Yes, we explained these all things. Yes. Okay. After seeing the positive and the negative numbers, I told you the distance between the each digit. The distance between the each digits. How much the distance will be, children? 5, 5. 5 unit distance will be from the one number to another number. Okay, we'll write here. How the small, we'll count it with a small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? 1. Positive 1. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Same like that, we have to continue. Yes, these all are the numbers. Positive numbers. We are writing what numbers we are writing, children? We are writing all the positive numbers. That also with a 5 unit distance. 5 unit distance. Here also same case. 5 unit distance. But the number will be negative this side. The number will be what? Negative. The right side will be the negative and the left side will be the positive. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 5. These all numbers will be minus and these all numbers will be positive. We studied these all things. Okay, we'll move on to our next content. In this we have in integers we see the properties of addition and properties of subtractions. We did the last year. We did it in a 6th standard only. That we have so many properties of additions and so many properties of subtractions we have. In that revision we'll do little bit recalling of that additions. In your chapter they mentioned, see, first one. On the number line last year in addition and subtraction what we did? In the number line, add the positive integer, we move to the right side. Add the positive integers, we move to the right side. Yes, we move to the right side. And add the negative integer, we move to the left side. We move to where we move? We move to the left side. We move to the left side. Subtract the positive integer, we move to the left. Subtraction of positive integer, we move to the left side. Subtract the negative integer, we move to the yakantandra minus will be what? Plus. Minus will be minus. Plus will be minus. Plus will be plus. You all know that. Yes, when we add the signs, same signs, that sign also changes. Next one. How the nimgellargu gotti in the 6th standard we did that. Okay, we have these all. How the numbers will move when we add the two numbers. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಕಡೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ when ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗೈತದ it moves to the left side in the negative side. Okay, children? Okay. Now we'll see some of the properties. ಯಾವ main properties now? Just we'll recall it once. Will not solve problems on that. Just will recall. Okay. First one, what we did in the previous in the last year, properties. First property will be the addition property. when two negative integers are added, we get negative integers. When two negative integers ಅಂದ್ರೆ if ಇದೈತಿ -1 and -2 is there. When two negative integers are added ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus sign. When two negative integers are added, we get negative integer only. ಇದನ್ನ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ ನಮಗೆ -1 plus -2. What we get, children? We get the positive integer only, but the sign will be what? We do the positive only, but the sign will be minus. Why the minus? Because we see the highest number, which is the highest number, that sign we have to put. So minus will be plus. Okay, here I will write the condition. C plus will be plus, minus will be plus minus will be minus plus will be minus. You please don't forget this one condition. Okay, this will help you lifelong. Okay, we'll apply this now. -1 plus -2. First we have to see, here also we have a minus sign only. Yes, now we have to see these two integer signs. Minus will be what? Plus. So what we have to do here? We have to add the numbers. How much we get? Plus 1 plus 2, how much? 3. Sign yaad hakbek hangare ನಾವು? Yaad biggest number. Which is the biggest number here? 2 is the biggest number. Which sign? Minus. So the answer will be what? -3. That only they are telling in the property. When we add two negative integer, we get negative integer itself. This is the property of addition. One of the property of addition. Next, one more property they mentioned here. When the additive inverse of any integer is negative only. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ a ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ additive inverse ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ additive inverse a ಅಂತ ಐತಿ. ಬೇಡ ಈಗ a ಬೇಡ, number will take the number. If I have 5 is an integer. If I apply additive inverse to this, then what we get? We get negative inverse will be -5. Negative additive inverse ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅದರ opposite ಬರಿಬೇಕು sign. Only opposite sign we have to write. For example, if I have -5, then additive inverse of -5 will be what? 5, because minus it is. Yes, understood? Additive inverse. Only sign we have to change. That this is also one of the property. And the one more property, what is the in this property? Okay, we add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. additive inverse ಅಂತ additive inverse. Okay, for example, here if they given -10 plus 3, the answer will be what, children? We get -10 plus 3. What is the answer? -7. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಈಗ additive inverse ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಗೆ ನಾನು additive inverse ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? -10 will be +10 and -3. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೈತೆ additive inverse ಒಳಗೆ. So what is the answer now? What is the answer? 7. Why 7? Here the biggest number have what? Biggest number have positive sign, but here the negative sign. So the answer will come different sign. So what they are telling in this property, what they are telling, when we add the numbers using additive inverse, the answer will not come same. It will differ in signs. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ depending on signs. Okay, these all are the properties, some of the properties of addition integers and the subtraction. Okay, we'll move on to our exercise now. These all things are basics of integers. In the previous year we studied these all things and we did the division also. We'll move on to the exercise now. These exercises also previous year we did that. The related topics we all did. So just on that only they given some of the problems. We'll solve it. First problem. exercise number 1. 1.1. Please open your book, children, page number 4. Okay, please open it. I will just read the question and we'll solve it on board. If you want the answers and questions, we'll send you the photo click. Okay, don't worry about that all. Just we'll solve it for your understanding sake. We'll solve it on the board. Okay. First question: the following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius. In the degree Celsius ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತದ at different places on the particular day. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಊರಿಂದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವರು. ಎದ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಅ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್. Okay, first one they given a here 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 15. Okay, 1 2 3 4 20. 1 2 3 4 25. 1 2 3 4 go on. Okay, they given here 10 difference. Here they are taking 5 units. Okay, 5 idun tagokataru. 10 number directly 15 number 20. According to your problems we can take like this. Okay, 10 and 15 20 25 they are taking 5 unit difference. Here back side, the back side 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 0. Okay, these all are a positive numbers. Here will come to the negative. -5, 1 2 3 4, -10. Okay, they given like this the number line and they allotted the different places on the number line. Okay, how much degree Celsius they have. Here 20 admele 1 2 ga Bengaluru. Okay, next one here 15. Before 15 they mentioned here Ooty. These all are temperatures. Okay, these all are temperatures. They are telling that on the number line they mentioned the temperatures degree Celsius na or allot ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ಯಾರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕ ಆ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಆ ಊಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಐತಿ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 5 is a Shimla. And after Shimla, next one 0 1 2 Srinagar, and the last one here Lahul Spiti. Okay, this is also one of the city. Here they given a Lahul Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty and Bengaluru. These all are different cities and they mentioned the different temperatures here. On the number line they given a temperature. Okay, they are mentioning how much Srinagar have, how much Shimla have, how much Ooty have, Bangalore have and Lahul Spiti have. Okay, on this they ask some of the questions. Okay, we'll solve it now. Okay, first question is observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on. ಏನಂತಾರವ್ರ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇವ್ರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅದಾವ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಐತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಿಟಿದ ಬರ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ನೌ. First city will take to Bangalore. A answer, Bangalore. How much? Start counting. After 20 it is. After 20, 21, 22 degrees Celsius. 22. Bangalore have 22 degree Celsius. Next one. Next city, Ooty. Now read. It's there after 10. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 degree Celsius. Next question, next city, Shimla. How much it is? 5. Easily we can, because it's there on a 5 only. So 5 degree Celsius. Next one, next city. After C, D, which city? Srinagar. How much Srinagar have? After 0. But here Srinagar have negative temperature degree Celsius. So after 0, negative we have to write here. 1, 2, minus 2 degree Celsius. Andre ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ? ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಐತಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೀಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಇವೇನೈತಿ? ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. Okay, next one. Which city? Laulspati. Laul. How much it is? Okay, after 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Why we are writing degrees Celsius here, children? Because in question they mentioned, see, they given a temperatures in a degree Celsius. They mentioned a temperature in a degree Celsius. So we have to write with a degree Celsius. First question what they asked here, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So this is the number line. They given a different degree Celsius. Okay, 5 different degree Celsius they have written. And they mentioned the cities also on the particular degree Celsius. So what we have to do here, we have to see in which place the Bangalore is, in which degree Celsius, how much degree Celsius the Bangalore is placed. That we have to count and we have to write. Like that Ooty we written, Shimla also and Srinagar also we did, Laulspiti also we did. The different cities have a different degree Celsius. That is the first question. We'll move on to the second question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places amongst the above? Which is the hottest here? Which is the hottest city here? Here they mentioned the 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, and the lowest will be minus 2 degrees Celsius. So what we have to do here? We have to check which is the, what we have to do? We have to find the difference between the hottest and the lowest. Okay, hottest will be Bangalore and the lowest will be what? Srinagar. We have to see the difference. How much the difference is? How much the difference is? Yeah, which numbers? Okay, the Bangalore have the highest 22 degrees Celsius, and here the Srinagar have how much? Srinagar have 2 degrees Celsius. So children, check which is the lowest and which is the hottest here. Yes, which is the hottest and which is the lowest here? 2 degrees Celsius is the hottest, or if we go like this, which will come first and which will come last? When we see the positive sign, if it's go up and up, that will be the highest. But here in the negative sign, when we go to the next number, that will be the highest. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, that will be the highest. Okay, so here the highest will be, the next one, the last one will be what? Srinagar, Laulspiti have how much? Minus 8 degree Celsius. I wrote that time Srinagar, but we have one more, that is 8 degree Celsius. Which city it is? Laulspiti. It is the highest, okay, highest cold, and it is a highest heat, okay, hot city. Now what we have to do? We have to see the difference. So add these two children. How much we get? Add these two. How much we get? We get 30 degrees Celsius. The difference is what? 30 degrees Celsius. How much we get? 30 degree. Andra vedru nadike ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ difference? ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ? ಎರಡರದು 30 degrees Celsius ನಷ್ಟ difference ಐತಿ. What we have to do? They told that we have to see the difference between that two temperatures. The difference between the that too temperature. Okay, now we'll solve it. So Bangalore Bengaluru minus Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti. So 22 degrees Celsius minus of 8 degrees Celsius. How much we get the difference? 30 degree Celsius. How much is the degree Celsius we got? Difference 30 degrees Celsius. We are asking the difference. When they will tell the difference, we have to do the minus sign. Yes, if they tell to find the total, then we have to apply positive sign. But they are telling the difference. So we are doing here minus sign. Yes, but when we do the solution, when we start calculating, the minus will be what? Plus. Obviously, the minus will be what? Plus. So we add these two numbers. How much we get? We get 30 degree Celsius. Okay, children, understood? Now the last one, C and D, you have to do by yourself. Try it once. If you not understand, we'll solve it in the next class. See all the number lines and cities carefully, then write the answer. Okay, children, we'll see it in the